What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 8 and today's topic will be going to create some sort of like VIP access for the users who can access our WhatsApp bot without any restrictions. So in the tutorial 7, in the last tutorial, we have created some sort of access restriction, like once you send one request, you should not send another request for next 30 minutes. Okay, just to stop the abuse or misusing of the API. So now we'll be going to create some sort of VIP users or giving some user VIP access. For them the restriction of 30 minutes is not going to be applicable. So for example, the current situation is this: you are not allowed to use this for 23 minutes. So after, if you send one request and if request gets you get the result, and after that you will getting this thing. But we are going to achieve this thing. General should not users should not use the bot for 30 minutes after one successful request, and VIP user can access without restriction. That is the thing. Okay, we are going to achieve that thing. So prerequisite and other things are going to be same. So it will be completely from the code point of view, because I have already covered all the prerequisite and everything, workflow and all. But again, if someone is not familiar, so what is currently happening, see if I write hi, so what is happening, bot is going to reply you, please try again after 9 minutes. If you want to use VIP access codes, please send this email to this email ID. For example, some of the users send me email and asking for VIP access code. I asked them, okay, you need to pay $10. They paid me, they give me the money and I gave him the access. Now my job is to give them the access. How to do it programmatically? So this is going to be very easy. So let me open the code. This is the code is already running. So for that, what you have to do, you have to create a text file using all these numbers. So let me remove the remaining numbers from here. Okay, so I just put my number over here. Okay, so let me, this is my number, let me save it. Okay, save, close it. So what I'll do now, I'll try to read that number. Okay, so by reading that number, I will assign the access. So this is going to be very easy guys. Only maybe 10 or 15 minutes of code will be required, not more than that. For first thing first, we'll write the file first with io.open, and the file name is vip.txt, right? And it will be open in read mode, and the encoding will be UTF-8. okay, and this is going to be as F1. okay, and after that we will write data underscore VIP. So this is going to be the VIP data, so it will going to be f1.read. This is normal Python file reading thing. Okay, oh sorry, this is not other thing. So f1.close. Sometimes it happens if you are going to switch back from other programming language where semicolon is required. Okay, so once this is done, so you can just split the data like this. So this is going to be like this, data underscore VIP dot and this. Okay, I'm not sure why this is throwing some error. What is showing? Variable data underscore is here data underscore VIP dot split. Not sure what is the problem actually. Why this is throwing error? Okay, let's see. Let's run this thing first. Let me see if it is going to return something or not. Okay, it's running. So let me print first here what is the values coming. Sometime it is a problem, so I don't want to disturb the other part of the code. So let me again stop everything and run this thing. So I should get my phone number over here. Okay, so I got this thing. Okay, so now I will check this thing here actually. So here actually after getting this thing, so I'll check that whether this number exists in the VIP list or not. Okay, so now we have the list which is data VIP. Okay, so now we'll check whether this number exists there or not. For that, if number in data underscore VIP. Okay, if data is exist in number underscore VIP, then what will happen? Then the same thing is going to happen, this thing only. Okay, so for VIP user nothing required, everything is going to be same, right? We don't need anything. Okay, and for remaining thing, this is going to be same. Again, there will be one else condition, and inside that the remaining things will be going to work. So this is only 5 minutes of code, as I told you guys. You see, so this is going to be very easy. So now if, and what will happen now, I'll put one else condition over here, and inside that else it will be going to happen. So let me put everything a bit right hand side. Okay, and this is string, so it doesn't matter if you put here or here. Okay, that's it. So what will happen? So once you send the request, so your status is going to be done here, and after that, next time if you are sending again another request, it will check if it is done or not. If it is done, it will take the last time, but again that is not required. But again, I'm just doing it, so I'm not going to change it. And after that, it is going to check that your number is present in VIP or not. If not, then you will come here and it will check the timestamp, and if it's already VIP, you will immediately get the response, like immediately get the access. Okay, so let's try this thing now. Okay, so it's working. So let's start this thing now. So this thing, so let's run some country, India. So let's wait for the output. We get the output. We should get the image. Okay, I got the image. Now we'll send another output, another request. Hi. So let's see what is happening now. See, okay, now we'll try from another mobile number. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, I have another mobile number, but for that let me do something. What I'll do, I will try to web WhatsApp. Okay, so this is another number, so I can show you guys from here directly. So what is happening? So just send the text here. See, I'm sending from my Indian number. This is the number, and I get this thing. And let me write India. I write India, so the response will be coming here. So I got the response, and I'll get the graph immediately. Okay, now the thing is that as my number is not present in the VIP, so what will happen? I'll not be able to get anything. Okay, so it will ask me to wait. So let me write hi. So see, it is asking me, you are not allowed to use this bot at this moment, please try again after 29 minutes. So whatever we are trying to achieve, this is successful. So I believe you guys are able to understand what we are trying to achieve only by writing, I think 1 2 3 4 lines of 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3, and here this small piece of code. Using this piece, you can easily create some sort of VIP access. But again, if your list number of user actually is more than 500 or 1000, then that time this list approach is not going to help. That time you should use database approach. So in the next tutorial, we'll also explore that part as well. Like whenever a user comes, it will go and check the database on a specific column or key value pair. As if it's NoSQL database, we are using MongoDB, so column concept is not there. So whatever key value is there, we are going to use some conditional. We will use some sort of condition. Okay, so that's it, guys. So let me open this thing. So this is not the thing. No, I'm not sure where is the PPT. Okay, probably, yeah, this is the PPT. So we achieved something. whatever we are trying to achieve. So I'll upload the like source code in the GitHub repository, so it will be easier for all of you guys to like understand. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, so you should not miss any notification from the next time. And thank you very much for all the Udemy students for purchasing this course and helping me directly or indirectly. I'm really thankful for all of you guys. And if you guys are having any difficulties, doubt, and you can easily reach me out, I'll always there to help you. And don't forget to like put some feedback if it is good or it is bad, and actually by getting the feedback or by knowing your feedback only, I'll be able to improve my quality. So that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice